A lot of mechanical keyboards today offer impressive specs on paper, but not all of them leave a lasting impression once they're actually on your desk. The Epomaker EA75 Max is one of those keyboards that immediately catches your attention with its unique design, compact layout, and built-in display. But beyond the looks, what really matters is how it feels to use it every day. After spending some time with it, here's what stood out and whether it's worth considering for your setup. The unboxing experience is straightforward and includes everything needed to get started. Alongside the keyboard, you get a USB-C cable, keycap, and switch puller, extra switches, documentation, and Epomaker's usual support card, which makes finding software and support resources much easier. Once you take the keyboard out of the box, the design becomes the main attraction. The combination of black keycaps with brown accent keys gives it a distinctive look without being overly flashy. The highlighted Escape, Enter, Spacebar, and arrow keys add character while maintaining a clean overall appearance. The build quality feels solid, and the keyboard has a premium feel that immediately gives a good first impression. The 75% layout strikes a nice balance between saving desk space and keeping the keys most people use regularly. It feels compact without feeling restrictive. On the right side, you'll find the tri-mode connectivity switch, allowing you to easily switch between 2.4 GHz wireless via the included USB dongle, Bluetooth for mobile devices and tablets, or wired mode for a stable direct connection. One of the first things you'll notice is the TFT display. Its placement blends naturally into the design and adds a modern touch to the keyboard. Whether you're displaying custom images, GIFs, or system information, it adds some personality to your setup. The only minor drawback is that the display is relatively small. It looks great when sitting directly in front of it, but it isn't something you'll easily read from across the room. Another highlight is the Rotary knob. It's smooth, responsive, and genuinely enjoyable to use. Some keyboard knobs can feel like an afterthought, but this one feels properly integrated into the overall experience. The adjustable feet on the bottom also make it easy to find a comfortable typing angle for long sessions. For most people, typing feel will be the deciding factor, and thankfully, the EA75 Max performs well here. After using it for several days, typing felt consistently comfortable and reliable. Key presses are smooth, stabilizers feel well-tuned, and overall, the keyboard delivers a pleasant typing experience whether you're working, gaming, or simply browsing. Sound profile is soft and refined rather than overly loud. Internal dampening helps reduce unwanted echo, giving the keyboard a cleaner and more controlled sound. That said, if you're someone who constantly compares sound profiles between enthusiast-level custom keyboards, you may feel there's still some room for improvement. For the average user, however, the stock typing experience is more than satisfying and requires no immediate modifications. Here's the sound test. The EA75 Max offers a good range of onboard RGB controls, allowing you to adjust lighting effects without opening the software. To change the main backlight color, simply press FN plus Tab. If you want to switch between different RGB effects, use FN plus \. Brightness can be adjusted directly from the keyboard as well. FN plus up arrow increases brightness, while FN plus down arrow decreases it. For animation speed, FN plus right arrow increases the effect speed, and FN plus left arrow slows it down, letting you fine-tune the lighting to your preference. The keyboard also features a dedicated side light bar. Press FN plus Z to cycle through light bar colors, or turn it off completely. FN plus right shift changes the side light effects, while FN plus right alt adjusts the side light brightness. To switch between different side light colors, simply use FN plus /. Overall, the onboard controls are easy to remember and make quick RGB adjustments convenient without needing to launch the software every time. The EA75 Max works across Windows, macOS, and Android devices, making it a flexible choice for users who frequently switch between different platforms. One thing worth noting is that software customization requires a computer connection, so mobile-only users won't have access to the keyboard's full customization features. Getting the software is simple. Just visit the product page on Epomaker's website, scroll down to the download section, and download the latest driver. Once installed, you'll gain access to a wide range of customization options. Inside the software, you'll find multiple profile configurations for saving different setups, along with FN layer customization and a macro manager for creating custom shortcuts and commands. RGB lighting can be fully adjusted through the lighting settings, while the TFT display can also be personalized with custom content. Additional features include user-defined lighting effects, real-time music synchronization effects, and system settings for managing various keyboard functions. The software layout is straightforward and provides plenty of options for users who enjoy customizing their keyboard experience. Epomaker EA75 Max succeeds because it doesn't rely solely on its appearance. Yes, it's one of the better-looking keyboards we've tested recently, but it also delivers where it matters most. Typing experience is enjoyable, the build quality feels premium, the rotary knob is genuinely useful, and the display adds a unique touch without feeling gimmicky. The screen could be larger, and keyboard enthusiasts may want even more refined acoustics. But these are relatively minor complaints in an otherwise well-rounded package. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that combines style, comfort, and useful customization features, the Epomaker EA75 Max is an easy recommendation. So that's our review of the Epomaker EA75 Max. Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.